Hi, everybody. I'm excited to bring this to you. Uh, this is the Anvil Carrack. It's one of the most sought after ships in Star Citizen. I have one. This is the first time that I've spawned it. It just became available in game, and we're going to go take a look around. Now, I've been purposely ignoring most of the videos on this ship because I wanted a fresh start or a fresh impression on how this whole thing works. And you're supposed to be able to get in from here, but I'm clearly not doing it right. Let's see here. Maybe up here? Well, I mean, you would think it would be like, oh, there, look at there, open door. All right. Oh, the slow moving ramp. The slow moving ramp. There we go. Aliens really get a hard on for that type of shit. All right. Well, I'm in the vehicle bay of the Carrack. What's over here? A ladder. Okay. Elevator. This should be the bottom floor, so actually I'll just... Alright, so these are the cargo modules that, whoa, what the hell? Well, that's weird. There's like a ledge here, but not. Okay. Well, anyway, cargo modules. Let's see if it does it here. It does sort of do it here. These are supposed to be eventually replaceable with like different things that will do different things. Alright, and then we got a turret here. Is this one of those ones that flips you upside down? Nope. Okay. Oh, that's a cool, I like that. How it, spins you around instead of just flipping you upside down. That's a good design. Alright, and then we've got... Well, now let's take the elevator. Okay, habitation deck. Deck 2. What is this? That's weird. Okay, yeah, so this is kind of like a... I mean, this is giving me TNG vibes here with that long hallway that they always do the walking shots in. You know what I mean? Well, anyway. Ooh. And now we're all sterile white because we're going into the med bay. And this is actually one of the... supposed to be one of the best features about the Carrack is this medical bed. Which I am going to not hit the wrong button on. Sit, no. Lie down. There we go. Ooh. Set as preferred ICU. Alright. Now if I kick the bucket while I'm out there, I'll spawn back on this ship. And these are not med beds. These are just regular beds, right? I think they're not med beds. I think they're regular. Okay. Oh, that's back to the where I came from. Locked. Okay. Ooh, pool table. Sort of. Not really a pool table, but... yep. Wouldn't be... Oh, the mirror doesn't actually work. That's crap. I mean... It's cool, but... Or am I a vampire? Am I... Oh god, am I a vampire? Oh god. I'm having a panic attack. Yeah, standard toilet stuff. Oh, this is very, Nostromo, looking. Like, yeah, it's painted white, but, like, the walls are just a little bit dingy. I'm getting that vibe from this room. And we keep going aft. No, yeah, aft. Alright, and this looks like the captain's quarters. Got a little room to do your business in, and then we got your bed. A little storage. Who's its and what's its. Yep, confirmed. My character's a vampire. Well, guess I needed to go start sucking some blood. And here's the bridge. That's gonna be a component that... Okay, what's that? Some kind of thing that just pops out of the floor. That's the pilot's seat. Let's get the power on.
Anvil Aerospace, all systems online.
Oh, listen to that thrum of everything starting up. That is cool. And the hydraulics and everything booting up. Where are the crew quarters in this door? Yep, crew quarters are in this door. Okay. So they got a couch and a little bit of storage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beds. What's it? This is the shower. Still a vampire. If only my crew knew. I must never let them see me in a mirror. Oh, that's the captain's quarters again. That's the bridge. Upper bridge. This is supposed to be the system map. What is this? Command station. Wonder if you can pilot the thing from here.
Anvil Aerospace, all systems
You can pilot the thing from here.
Landing gear raised.
It's a big, heavy ship.
Flare online.
Well, that's weird. What are these? Support seats. These are no, there are no remote turrets, right? Escape pods, those are important. One for every crew member plus the captain. That's a good touch. How do I get down there? And this is the repair room, it looks like. Yep. So you stick your component in there and then you hit go. Or something. I don't know. I mean, I have to wait for them to actually implement that. Drone operator seats. Okay, so this is the drone room. And I guess this would be where the drones would go? I mean, those look kind of like drone docks, right? Another drone operator seat. Okay, so that's what that room is. Left or right? Oh, this is the... let's go right. This is the hangar bay. So I have watched a couple of videos on what will fit in this hangar bay. And it's actually, it's more than just the Pisces, which is kind of nice. Turret. I like the lighting, the subtle lighting change from, like, hey, this is like essentially a safe area, and then you start going into one of the more militaristic sections of the ship, and it's danger colors, like, hey, if you're in here, it's for a reason. Alright, so these turrets,
Anvil Aerospace. All systems.
I hope they're not crap. I watched the live stream from SitCon, and it was, I mean, the turret was pretty crap. So I hope they fixed it. Engineering. This reminds me of the gun control room from Mass Effect. The one that Garrus hangs out in. He would be like back here, you know. Oh, a little ladder. Let's see what's down here. Power plant. Fuel tank. Engineer access only. I don't think that we're actually gonna be able to go into the fuel tanks. I mean, excuse me, that would be nice, but I doubt it. Okay, well, I mean, that looks like a complete tour. I've done everything. There's the other turret. I'm dumb. Just know that. All right. Yeah, that looks like everything, except for whatever's behind that locked door. Um, yeah, you can't do it unsafely. That's good. So there's supposed to be an astrometrics deck. I wonder if that's just the upper command or upper bridge. I mean, that's kind of what that looks like. You can't interact with that. Huh. Yeah, I guess it's just the upper bridge. The way that the couple of videos that I did watch described it is that they had a fourth deck that was like an astrometrics. So I wonder if that's true or not. I'm gonna guess that it's not. Oh nope, cartography deck. Look at that, fourth deck. So there is one that's just specially for. Oh, oh, the ship that just keeps on giving. What is back here? Airlock. Oh, that is cool. And the artificial gravity runs out so you can just step out there. That's cool. Then we got suit storage. There's the elevator. And now this is the astrometrics deck. And that is cool. This is the engineer station. What's that? What did that say? Yep, that's engineer.
Aerospace, all systems online.
Yep, use engineer station. Okay. So that's the engineer's station for whatever reason. You would think it would be like something else. But yeah, okay. So that's the tour. Thanks a lot for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my witty commentary. And as always, if you liked what I did, feel free to leave me a like. If you didn't, tell me why you didn't and what I could do better in the comments. And as always, if you think I deserved it, feel free to subscribe.